Look who invited me to run, guys.
Go!
The booby baddies.
Running 3 miles today.
I won! I did peace sign. That was a millennial. Millennial peace sign.
5, turning around.
Hey. I was like,
That looks so good.
thank you for the motivation.
Let's go.
Motivation, content, she does it all. 2 miles, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Happy.
We're hitting that sprint, let's go.
You go.